Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking Standard First Subject Science. Standard First Subject Science. Today we will discuss lesson number 11, PLANTS plants. PLANTS plants. In our previous class we have written new terms. Yes, I have explained all the new terms. We finished writing new terms in classwork of lesson 11 plant. Yes, did you finish writing new terms in classwork? Today we will read the lesson. Yes, today we will discuss the lesson. Open your science textbook. Open your science textbook. Page number 7777. Open your science textbook. Page number 7777. Lesson 11. PLANTS plants. PLANTS plants. Now say where you can see plants. Everywhere. Yes, wherever we go we can see plants. Near our house we will see plants. If you go to school we will see plants in our school also. If you go to hospital you can see plants there. On the roadsides also we can see plants, and also in park and garden. Also we can see plants. Yes, all plants have different shapes of leaves. All plants have leaves. Yes, the shapes of leaves are in different size and also different shapes. The leaves of all the plants are different sizes and shapes. Different shapes will be there and different sizes. Different plants have different shapes of leaves. Now say me, which leaf is this? This is known as leaf. All the plants have leaves. Yes, all the plants branches have leaves. So these are known as leaf. So which leaf is this? Money plant leaf. Yes, see the shape of the money plant leaf. Yes, this is money plant leaf. Now this is one more leaf. Yes, how is the shape of this leaf? Different from this leaf. Yes, how is the shape of this second leaf? Different from this money plant leaf. Yes, now see one more leaf. This is one more leaf. Yes, how is the leaf? Round in shape. Yes, size is different. Different. Yes, size is also different and shape is also different. Size is also different, shape is also different. So each leaf will be different size. Yes, now these are also one more type of leaf. How is this leaf? Long. How is this leaf? Long. Yes, size is different and shape is also different. Some are round in shape, some are long in shape. And see this is also long. Yes, compared to this is little short. So each plant have mango plant. All the mango plants will have same type of leaf. Lemon plant, all the leaves of lemon plant will be same, but mango and lemon plant different. Yes, mango leaf and lemon leaf will be different. So shapes and sizes of different leaves. All the leaves of the shapes and also sizes of the leaves will differ from plant to plant. Now open your textbook. Page number 7777. When I am reading textbook, you will place your finger on that word and you will move your finger. Which word I am reading, you should move your finger. Plants are all around us. Now say me, where are plants? Everywhere around us. Yes, wherever we go, we can see the plants. They make our surroundings green. Yes, if we see, what are the color of plants? Green in color. Yes, so they make our surroundings clean. We too, surroundings green. We too grow plants. Near our house we keep plants in our balcony. We keep them in pots. Why? We like to see them. We feel happy if we see plants growing. Yes, why? Because they give us fresh air. Yes, they give us fresh air. So plants are very important for us. Here, see the picture reading. Plants are found in forest. What is this? Which picture is this? First one, forest, where we can see many plants growing together closely in forest. Forest is a place, very big land covered only with trees. Everywhere you can see trees and also different types of trees. Growing together closely. They will grow together in one big area. That is known as forest, where we can see different types of trees growing together. Next, Plants are found near our house. Yes, we see plants near house. Yes, we too grow some plants in our house, in our balconies. Government people also, they will keep plants near our house. Yes, and see here, plants are found along the road. You can see plants growing both the sides of the road. Yes, on the both the sides of the roads also we can see plants. Now move to next paper, page number 7878. Page number 7878. Now place your finger and read. Put finger when I am reading. Some plants are big and strong. Some plants are big and strong. Some plants are big and strong. These are called trees. Trees means how trees will be? They will be big and they will be strong. Now mango tree. You know mango plant? How it will be mango tree? Mango tree will be very big, and also how is the stem of the mango tree? This much it will be, and how it will be very strong. You can't hold that stem and you can move that. No, why? Because it is very strong. It is very strong. Woody trunk. It has a nice fat woody trunk. Why? Because it is a tree. Tree means big and strong plants are called trees. What are trees? Trees are big and strong plants are known as trees. Example, mango tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, pine tree and apple tree are some examples of trees. You can see in your textbook here. Yes, which plant is this? Which tree is this? Coconut tree. Yes, how is the coconut tree? Very tall, very big, tall. And how is the stem of the coconut? Fat, no? Strong also. So this is pine tree. How is the pine tree? Big. What is this? Banyan tree. You can see the roots hanging to the banyan tree. Yes. How is this banyan tree also? Very big and strong. So big and strong plants are known as trees. Big and strong plants are known as trees. Some plants are small. Second one, some plants are big. They are known as trees. Some plants are small. All plants are not big like mango, banyan. No. Some plants are small also. Yes. Some plants are small. A brinjal plant, rose plant, hibiscus plant and grass are some examples of small plants. Some examples of small plants. See what is this? Which plant is this? Brinjal. You can see two brinjals growing on this plant. Yes. How is this coconut tree? Big and strong. Very big. How is this brinjal plant? Small. Brinjal plant small. Coconut tree big. Brinjal small. So some plants are big and some plants are small also. We can see some plants growing very big. Some plants in short size, small size. And rose. Rose plant will grow big like mango, banyan. No, its size will be short only. It won't grow more. And grass. You can see grass. How is the size of the grass? Very little small, no? It won't grow more. The size of the grass is short. So all these are small plants. Brinjal plant, rose plant, grass are what? Small plants. Very big plants are known as trees. They are known as trees and these are known as plants. Very big, woody trunk, strong, they are known as trees. Small one known as plants. Small are known as plants. What does a plant need to grow? Yes, what you need to grow? You eat, you will drink. Yes, you want all this food, all these things to grow. Yes, your mother will say drink milk, otherwise you will not grow. Eat egg, drink milk, do exercise. Yes, so we do all that things so that we will grow. Now plant is also a living thing. Yes, plant is also a living thing. Plant also will grow. Yes, you saw plant growing when your mother gets any brinjal or any mango plant. It will be small in size. After some days you can see it growing big. Yes or no? Plants also will grow. Plants are also living things. They also will grow. What they need? You need water. You need food to eat. Yes, in the same way plants also need some things to grow. What are those? soil. Soil is where we keep the plant. Just we will get the plant and we will keep it on the roadside. No, we will properly dig inside. We will dig the soil. Yes, and then we will place the root of the plant inside the soil and cover it with soil. Yes or no? We will not keep it on the ground. Just we will not keep it on the ground. What we will do? We will dig the soil. Yes, then we will keep the roots of that plant inside the soil. Then we will cover it. So plant needs soil to grow. If soil is not there, if mud is not there, if you keep the plant on the roadside, simply it will grow. No, it need mud to grow, and also water. Plants also need water to grow. Plants also need water to grow. They need soil, they need water. And what is the third one? They need sunlight. Plants need sunlight to grow. Yes, if we keep plant in dark room and close the doors and windows, it will not grow. It will not grow. We should keep the plants in the sun, where the sun's rays fall. Where the sun's rays fall. Plants need sunlight to grow, and also air. And also air. As we need air to breathe. As we need air to breathe, plants also need air. Then only it will grow. So 4 things plants need to grow. What are they? First one is soil. First one is soil, water, sunlight, air. Come on, say soil, water, sunlight, air. Plants need soil, water, sunlight, air to grow. To grow. Plants need soil, water, sunlight and air to grow. These 4 things plants need so that it will grow. If sunlight is not there also, it will not grow. If no proper air also, it will not grow. So plants need all these 4 so that it will grow properly. Next, some plants grow on land. Yes, page number 7979. Some plants grow on land. Yes, mostly many plants what we are seeing, yes, where they are growing on the land only. On roadsides we will see where they are growing on the land. Ashoka tree, banyan tree, palm tree. Yes, what is this? This is Ashoka tree, where you can see on the roadsides Ashoka tree. What is this? Banana tree. What is the second one? Banana tree. See, you can see bananas growing. Yes, banana tree. And what is this? Palm tree. These are, why we are calling them trees? Because they are tall and strong. Because they are tall and strong. So these plants, many plants we can see on the land only. Where mango plant will grow on the land. Papaya on the land. Lemon on the land. Vegetables what we eat also mostly they will grow on the land. Some plants grow in water. Some plants grow on land, and some plants we can see them growing in water also. Yes, you saw some plants growing in water. What are those? First one, lotus lily. Lotus lily. See here, lotus is growing in water. Yes, some plants they will grow on water. Some plants they will grow on water. See, what is this? Lotus. If you pull out the lotus and you will keep it in on the road. Yes, on the if you dig the soil and if you keep the lotus, it will not grow. It will grow only in water. Only water it needs, not soil. So lotus lily. Yes, these two grow in water. Some plants, many plants they will grow on the land, and few plants are there that will grow in water only. Some plants need support to grow. Now some plants are there which need support to grow. Yes. Now see here. What is this? Money plant stem. No. What is this? Money plant stem. Many of you have this at home, money plant. Yes. So, to grow this money plant, what we'll do? We will keep a stick. We will keep a stick so that the money plant will grow. It will take the support. It will take the support of the stick and it will grow. Because the stem of this money plant is very weak. Yes. Now Ashoka tree is there, banyan tree is there. Their stem is woody stem, fat, woody, strong stem they have. So they can stand. They can stand. But money plant stem is very weak. Money plant stem is very weak. It need, if I leave it, it will fall to the ground. So it needs support to grow. These type of plants which have very weak stem, they need support to grow. At home also you can see your mother will keep one stick or tie a thread so that it will take the support of that thread or stick and it will start growing. Otherwise, if you don't keep any support to this, it will grow on the floor, it will grow on the ground. Yes, why? Because the stem, see the stem, you can easily break the stem of this. You can easily break the stem. The stem is not very thick, it is thin, no, it is not strong, but mango tree, ashoka tree, how is the stem? It is very fat, woody stem, no, and it is very strong, so it will stand straight, but some plants which have weak stems, this is known as stem. Yes, some plants which have weak stem, they need support to grow. They can't grow on themselves. If this money plant also has very weak stem, it needs support to grow. If we don't keep any support for this money plant, it will grow on the floor. Some plants need support to grow. Some plants need support to grow straight are called climbers. Some plants which need support to grow they are known as climbers. What are they known as? Climbers. Very big and strong plants are called trees. Big and strong plants are called trees. Some plants which need support to grow are called climbers. Some plants which need support to grow are known as climbers. See here, you can see all these are climbers. Pea plant, grapevines. To grow grapes also, what they will do? They will keep the bamboo sticks and they will tie the threads so that the grape plant will grow on that. Okay, so we will not leave it. If we don't give support to this grape plant, what will happen? It will grow on the floor. So it needs support so that it will climb up and it will grow there. And what is this? Money plant. Yes, everybody have money plant. You can see what is there in the money plant here. Stick is placed inside the money plant. Near the stem of the money plant, they kept a stick so that the money plant will take the support of the stick and it will grow. So these plants which need support to grow are known as climbers. The plants which need support to grow are known as climbers. Plants give us medicine and some plants also give us medicine. Some plants give us medicine. First one, mint leaves, clove, aloe vera. Mint leaves, clove, aloe vera. Mint. What is mint? This is mint. Mint leaves. Yes. Pudina, mint leaves. Nice smell comes out. Yes. When you have fever, cold, cough, mummy will prepare pudina and give you, no? With pudinas, different types of chutneys they will prepare and give you. Yes, it also acts as a medicine. It's very good for our health. So pudina is also has a medicine. We'll take this pudina leaf as a medicine. And next one is clove. What is clove? Lavang. What is clove? Lavang. Yes, this is clove. This is clove. Yes, what is this? Clove. Lavang. Where we use this? Yes, it adds spices, tasty spice, good smell we get out of this. Yes, this also acts as a medicine for us. Yes, it is very good when you have fever, cold, cough. We will do with this juice and we'll drink. Yes, we'll prepare different types of things with this and we will drink. So this also acts as a medicine. What is this known as? Clove, lavang, clove. And one more thing is aloe vera. Yes, this is aloe vera. Mostly everybody have this at home. Yes, these also act as a medicine. Yes, some plants are used as medicine. Some plants are used as medicine. What are those? Mint leaves means pudina leaves. Mint leaves means pudina leaves. Clove. What are these? CLOVES, cloves, lavang. Then aloe vera. These three are medicine. Yes, and we have tulsi also. Turn your paper, page number 8080. Page number 8080. Plants not only make our surroundings beautiful, but they are also useful to us. Yes, plants make our surrounding beautiful and also they are useful to us. That's why we are growing plants. They are mango plant. Why we grow mango plant? It will give shade, it is useful to us, and also it gives us mango fruits. With mango, we can do different varieties. We can put pickle, we can eat mango fruit. Yes, so we grow many trees so that they are useful to us. Yes, we will continue the lesson. First, we will do revision zone. Page number 7878 revision zone we will continue. In the next class, I will teach all this. Okay, page number 7878 revision zone C. First we will complete revision zone. Now BIG big, AND and, STRONG strong, PLANTS plants, ARER, CALLED pond, TREES trees. Big and strong plants are called trees. Big and strong plants are called trees. What are those? COCONUT coconut. COCONUT coconut. TREE tree. Why we are saying coconut tree? Because coconut tree is very tall and also very strong. PINE pine. TREE tree. Pine tree. BANYAN banyan. BANYAN banyan. TREE tree. Banyan tree. All these are trees. Why we call them trees? Because they are big and they are strong. Coconut tree, pine tree, banyan tree. SOME some. PLANTS plants. ARER. SMALL small. Some plants are big. They are known as trees. And some plants are small. Like BRINJAL brinjal plant. Small plants are known as plants. Okay, small ones are known as plants. Big ones are known as trees. BRINJAL brinjal. PLANT plant. Brinjal plant. ROSE rose. PLANT plant. Rose plant. HIBISCUS hibiscus. PLANT plant. Hibiscus plant. GRASS grass. GRASS grass. Brinjal plant, rose plant, hibiscus plant and grass. All these are small in size, so they are known as only plants. REVISION revision. ZONE zone. Revision zone in page number 7878. You too will write along with me revision zone in your textbook. Okay? Shall we read? Now you should only give me answer. You know all these answers. FIL fill, IN in, THE the, BLANKS blanks, fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks, dash, ARER, BIG big, AND STRONG strong. Plants which are big and strong are known as what? Trees. Dash are big and strong. What are big and strong? Trees. Trees are big and strong. Our trees, they are big and strong. So TREES, trees. ARER, BIG big, AND STRONG strong. Trees are big and strong. Our trees, they are big and also they are strong. BANYAN banyan. BANYAN banyan. IS is A banyan is a tree or plant. Banyan is a very big plant. No, this is banyan. So it is very big plant. So it is big and also strong. Big and also strong. So they are known as trees. No. So banyan is a dash. Banyan is a tree. Banyan is a tree. A banyan is a tree. A ROSE rose. PLANT plant. is a small plant. A rose plant, how is a rose plant? Small plant. A banyan is a big plant, big tree. A banyan is a big one, no? Big and strong, big and strong. A rose plant is a small plant. S-M-A-L-L, small. A rose plant is a small plant. A rose plant is a small plant. A banyan is a tree. A banyan is a tree. Trees are big and strong. Trees are big and strong. The plants which are big and strong are known as trees. And some plants, they need support to grow. They are known as climbers. Some plants, they need support to grow. They are known as climbers. Some plants, we can see them growing on the land, and some plants, we can see them growing in water also, like lotus and lily. Where they grow in water. And also some plants, they need support to grow. They are known as climbers, like money plant. Yes, they need support to grow. And some plants are also used as medicine. Some plants also we use as medicine. What are those? Yes, neem, mint leaves, clove, aloe vera is used as medicine. So now we have learned all this. You will write revision zone in your classwork. Okay, homework. Remaining lesson, we'll do it in the next class. Okay, remaining lesson, page number 80, 81, we'll do it in the next lesson. W-R-I-T-E, write R-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, revision. Z-O-N-E, zone, I-N, in. C-W, your homework is revision zone. You should write it in your classwork. Revision zone, you will write in your classwork, and you will read page number 78 and 79. Yes, page number 78, 79 is completed today. So you will read. Yes, put finger and read 2 pages and write this revision zone neatly in your classwork and complete your work with good and neat handwriting. Yes, children, write revision zone. First, before writing revision zone, you check whether you have completed lesson 11. New terms. After new terms, you should write revision zone in your classwork. After writing, you read. Okay, complete your work with good and neat handwriting. Remaining lesson, we will do it in the next class. Okay, complete your work. Thank you, children.